Hello and welcome to English Learning. In today's video, let us learn how to use words like this, that, these and those correctly and what are these words called. So, without wasting much time, let's begin. These words are called demonstrative determiners. Words like this, that, these and those are called demonstrative determiners. Now let us find out what are demonstrative determiners in detail. Demonstrative determiners are meant to point to a particular noun. They are also used to indicate the position or location of a noun from the speaker's point of view. In simple words, demonstrative determiners are those words or those determiners which point to a particular noun, and they are also used to indicate the position or location of a noun from the speaker's point of view. Let us look at the examples of demonstrative determiners. Examples of demonstrative determiners are this, that, these and those. Now let us learn more about demonstrative determiner this and how to use demonstrative determiner this correctly. This is used to refer to a singular noun that is near or close to the speaker. In simple words, this demonstrative determiner is used to describe a singular noun that is near or close to the speaker. Now let us look at some of the examples to have a better understanding. Examples: this is my pencil, this is my book. Now let us look at the very first example, and we can see that there is a picture of a little girl who is holding a pencil in her hand. Now we can see that she is holding pencil very close to her. That is the reason demonstrative determiner this is used. In the second picture, we can see that there is a boy who is holding a book very close to him. That is why demonstrative determiner this is used. So, these are examples of demonstrative determiner this. Demonstrative determiner this is used to refer or indicate a singular noun. In this picture, the noun is pencil, and we can see that there is a single pencil which this girl is holding in her hands. Likewise, in the second picture, we can see that there is a boy and he is holding a single book. That is why demonstrative determiner this is used. Now let us learn about demonstrative determiner these. These is used to refer plural nouns that are near or close to the speaker. Unlike demonstrative determiner this, these is used to refer to plural nouns that are near or close to the speaker. Now let us look at some of the examples. Here we can see that there is a girl who is holding many flowers in her hands. These are my flowers. So, why demonstrative determiner these has been used here and not demonstrative determiner this? Because the girl is holding many flowers and flowers are in plural form, and to indicate plural noun we use demonstrative determiner these and not this. So these are my flowers. Now let us look at the second example. Here we can see there is a little boy who is holding many balloons. We can see that this boy is holding many balloons in his hands. That is the reason demonstrative determiner these is used here. These are my balloons. So this much in today's video. I hope you got the idea how to use demonstrative determiners this and these correctly. In next video, we are going to learn how to use demonstrative determiners that and those. So, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe.